Hello friends, my name is Vikas Kumar and you are watching RM Plus Tech Zone. So we will be about like middleware. What is middleware? So we will be prepare middleware. Okay. So let's just start. So firstly, what is middleware? Uh, okay, this time. So firstly, prepare a definition, then practice. Okay. So middleware is a framework of hook into Django. Django hook, yeah, a framework. Okay, middleware a framework into Django. So what is middleware? So request and response processing, है ना? Request and response processing. It is a low level plugin. Okay, low level plugin, a lightweight, a low level plugin system for globally altering Django's input or output. Okay, Django input and the output means request and response. Request means input, then output means response. Okay, each middleware component is responsible for doing some specific functions. Okay, so basically, middleware responsible for specific functions. Okay, then like a middleware is a a specific tasks perform. Okay, so this is a chart, so we uh, we are better understanding this middleware. Okay, so first of all, client side http request, then views.py. You know views.py. Views.py means django application, then views.py request and response handler. Okay, your request handler, your response handler, this is mentioned all over apis code. Okay, you mention apis like views.py. Okay, so views functions. So firstly request, then this is the middleware means specific function, specific program, specific line of code. So perform before view.py, perform view.py, then view.py, then after response time, perform after views.py, then http response. Okay, so this is the middleware. So basically, uh, middleware means before views.py, any tasks perform like authentications, authorizations, any security for region security in apis. Okay, so this is the middleware. So middleware basically request and response processing time. So this one time processing means firstly view before view, so any function, yeah, any classes you are perform, then views API perform, then next view after that, any task perform, then HTTP request. Okay, so mentally channel like this request and response. Okay, so okay, then better understand like uh, practice time. Okay, so this is the middleware. Then middleware, two type of middleware, like built-in middleware, then custom middleware. Built-in means already build given Django or middleware, huh? Given middleware. Then customer side customize middleware. Yeah, customize any middleware function classes like this. Okay, so built-in middleware. So built-in middleware like this setting.py middleware. So security middleware, session middleware, common middleware, CSRF middleware, CSRF example, you know. So middleware authentications, message middleware. So this is the all built-in middleware. Then this is the theory part of middleware. Now, now practice part of middleware. So I'm open the VS Code. Then already create a project. So this is the project name Middle Pro. Okay. So C and middleware pro this project create. Then this middle app. Okay, so middle app name middle app. Okay, then mention setting.py mention like include app setting. So middle app mention, then middleware. So already middleware checking junction otherwise. Then now a now a create a file middleware.py. So this is the middleware.py. Then middleware.py and create a function. Okay, so firstly I have used function based middleware, then class based middleware. Two types of middleware like function based and class based. So firstly function based, then second class based I have tried it. Okay, so this is the dev function create a function. So function name my middleware, then get response. Okay, so response means handle response time. Okay, so this get response this run it, then um, response time any execute program. Okay, so print a one time initialize means this function inside the program, so only one time execution your runtime execution. Then second def my function, so the second function created the request, then printed. This is before view, so this is all over mention code, so all over run it before uh, views. Okay, before views.py run it any program, any function, any classes. This is middleware. Okay, then get response, so get response after this is view. Okay, this is the so there is mention all over code, so there is all over code and run it after views. Okay, so this time response get response, this time run it code views.py. So then return response and return my functions. Okay, so all this is a function where middleware. Then view.py, so view.py create a functions home request, then print I am a view. So this is one function and run it, so I am a view. Okay, then return http response, then this is the home page. Okay, so this is the run it, and the urls include the app view and the url, so views and home. Okay, so run it python main.py run server. Okay, no such file directory because they're not manage.py there. So cd middle pro. Okay, cd middle pro. So this is and run server. So run server. So one time initialize. Means this function is print. Okay, so runtime one time initialize this function. Okay, then this function is the uh, send a request. Okay, so only uh, run server, then now a send a request. Okay, so this is the send a request. Okay, so this is send a request, then I am a view. Firstly this is a before view, so this line is execute before the view. Okay, then I'm a view.py. This is the after after run this print line after the view.py run it. Okay, so I am a view, then this line is the this is the after view run it after views. Okay, so three time is run, so request time, views time, and the after view time. Okay, so this is the run, and show you that this is a home page. Okay, So this is the middleware. Okay, so only practice. So not any big project, yeah, any authentication, only example sites. Okay, so this is the function side and the uh, try to fun try to class side. Okay, so this is the class side. Select folder, then so this is the same process like create a project, then app inside the middleware.py, then middleware.py, and the create a class middleware, then init function, init method, use it constructor to set and get response. So get self dot get response equal to get response. Okay, so print in one time initialize. So this is part of one time initialize. Or runtime means execution time. Then the call function is created a second method, the call. So self and the request. The print, this is the before view. Then response. So self get dot response in request. So this is time, views execution time, views dot py, any function is that executed. Then this is the after view. Okay, so mainly same process, same, but only created a class and before function based function, so create a functions. Okay, no differences. So this is the run it, run it cd and project a middle class based. Okay, middle class est best. Okay, then run server. So this is the one time initialize. So print like this line. Okay, one time initialize, then request. So this is because this is send request because same port. Okay, so locally same port 8000, and so one time initialize, then this is before views, then this is view, then this is after view. So basically before views type time means send a request, then process any functions, then run views.py any API, then after view means the response time, any function perform, any function is execute, then HTTP request. So this is the middleware. So I hope you are understand this is what is middleware. Thank you so much.